Hello YouTube, this is Joann from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little tiny little haul. Hope you guys are doing well, and also some happy mail. I had to pick up some ribbon to go along with some tags that I will have for labeling. These little mini tags, these came from Walmart. Put on my Cricut cartridge, but I had the bigger ones. I need to change them out for these smaller ones. Did pick this up from Tuesday morning. This is Simplicity Sewing Machine Magnifier. I have not sewn in a while. I did take my sewing machine out of the box that I got from Tuesday morning like 2 years ago. Although I do have another sewing machine, 2 other sewing machines that were already out. But I finally took my new one out after I built my shelves. And I bought this, I said, just in case by the time I ever get to sew, my eyesight might be bad. I don't know. Thread that needle, and it was only $10, so I went on and got it. Who knows when I'm going to get the sewing, but I ought to have it, especially at that price. So, did get that. Did pick up 2 of these Artist Lost journal sketchbooks. I'm going to do some sketch noting. Let's see how that goes. But that's my goal. And they were, buy one, get one half off. Not necessarily the cheapest thing in the world, but not too bad. Went to Joann's, and they had these on sale, the 110, and this is the solid core 110 paper, 100 sheets on clearance. They're normally $19.99. I think it was a $14.99, and it was on sale for $5.97. With another 25% off, so it was $4, I think, 48 cents, which is a good deal for 100 and 110 pound weight, 100 sheets. So I ended up getting both of those. Not that I needed any more cardstock, but God, that price. If they had had the white, I'd have been excited, but they didn't have any white. And then I did get this planner, and this is a 12-month planner, Plant Your Dreams, and this is the horizontal one. And the reason why I got this one, like I did last year, the last year was the wrong one, but I got this one. Page is bent up. Is because not that I'm going to keep my days, I realized I cannot continually finish up one of these calendars, but I like it for the scripture writing. So just when you write down the days what you're reading in your scripture, but I like this because I used this last year in my calendar on my other channel, his Scribe, if you're interested in that too. And I did show in there like how I did my scripture writing. So, and that's what I'm going to do again this year. So, yeah. So you can check it out. So, I enjoy doing that. I just think it looks really nice to decorate your scripture, but I can't seem to keep a regular planner. So that's my goal for this one, is to do the same thing. So you can check it out on my other channel, his Scribe, and you'll be able to find that. So this video is probably going to be up late, but trust me, I had this at the beginning of the year, so that'll be over there. I'll probably change these peaches out. I don't know about that color. That's alright. We'll see. And then my girl, Susan. Hold on. This is a piece. She gave me some happy mail. Pretty neat. If I had to give her something. She gave me some stuff, which was very sweet of her. And well, let me start with the paper first, if I can get that out of the way. This is a Sugar Blush. She used a couple sheets out of it, and she was like, you know what? I'm not going to use it anymore. I'm going to give it to you. So she gave me this paper pad. It's in pink, so you don't have to fight it. But she and I joke about that all the time. Anyway, so she had got some extra tonic colors that she already had or whatever in one of her tonic boxes, and she gave them to me. And I'm like, yay, because I don't have these colors, so I'm very excited about that. So, the Nuvo drops. Okay, really, these ones don't want to cut, seriously. Okay, so this one, this is the crystal drops, of course, and add you some dimension, and this one is metallic, and it's dirty bronze. And this one is the bottle green. That's what it's called. This one is called berry blue. So this was nice because I was telling her I didn't have any. She has been building her collection for a while of these, and she loves them. And then this one is called Liquid Mercury. Ooh, I'm excited about that one. That looks like a very interesting color. And she knows I love making ATCs, because we do a lot of stuff in our own little scrapbooking and stuff, and we always talk about ideas and things that we do and stuff. So she's giving me some of these paper pads. These are ATC size 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and this is black, and this one is aqua cold pressed black paper. So nice and sturdy, you can take a lot of mediums. And then this one's translucent paper. So it's kind of put you in mind of like the vellum, but it's got a different feel and texture to it if you haven't touched that before. So it's kind of got a slick feel. But anyway, so these to make some ATCs. And then she also ended up gifting me a die. Wasn't that cool? So this is Hello Sailor by Tonic Studios, and it has 6 pieces. And it's got a bird, and she's saluting. It says Hello Sailor. So you can kind of see it on the back and an example of what that looks like. So thank you, Susan, and I'll put Susan's channel down below. And so anyway, I was just excited to get that. Wasn't expecting all of that, so that was really nice. So anyway, thank you, Susan. So you guys, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. Again, if you want to see any of my scripture writing, how I decorate my pages, check me out on his Scribe. And thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing all this time and following me and rocking with me. I greatly appreciate it. And pray you guys have a wonderful, prosperous year. Take care. Bye-bye.